Hey y'all, we're going to be getting into the swatches in just a minute. I just wanted to show you the monomer that I'll be using today, and it works as it says. It is low odor. I absolutely love it. It also plays well with others. So this is what we'll be swatching today, the MakarttPro Cover Powder in Tawny Rose. And while we actually do this swatch, I wanted to tell you guys why I absolutely love this brand. I'm not getting paid to do this. This is not sponsored at all. But I came across this brand at the start of my journey and I wasn't familiar with them. And after being disappointed by another brand, I went with MakarttPro and they really, really saved the day. I'm so thankful for them. The brand owner is present. She's passionate. She's super helpful with teaching tips on social media and allowing beginners to showcase their progress and their work. As somebody who has built a brand myself, I can really appreciate the dedication that she has to her brand and to the industry while supplying great quality, affordable products that are easily accessible to everybody. She's super nice, she's super helpful, and honestly, that's just the icing on the cake for this brand. So here is Tawny Rose in all of her glory. I think that she is a beautiful, beautiful cover shade. And you know I had to try her on. I had to see what she looked like against my skin. And she is beautiful. Absolutely did not disappoint. These powders are beautiful and very beginner friendly. Go to their website now. Get you some. And stay tuned for more swatches. Bye.